my friends, and welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Corey. I'm here today to show you some of my stuff that I got from Amazon in their Amazon Prime days, where if you're a Prime member, you get extra discounts on products. I want to thank Desert Isle Crafting. She told me about these. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I did a short on this. I got that up real quick so that if any of you guys wanted to take advantage of this deal, you could do it. This deal was 30% off for these. They're called silicone ties, magnetic silicone ties. They're meant to be a cable to tie your, like your phone cords, you know, to hold them together. But as a stitcher, we use these to put these around our embroidery hoops to keep our fabric up together so it's not hanging around and getting messy. So these are very strong magnets. So there are so many things you can use these for besides the cross stitching also. You can use this for a cover reminder also on your diamond painting. I use it like if I fold one corner down, instead of putting the cover reminder right here, I put it up at the top so the top part will stay attached. And then, anyway, there's all things you can do with these. And there were, let's see how many were in this bag. 20. There were 20 of them in here. And I could have bought more if I had more money. But, I mean, they had bags that were bigger than this. So, anyway, I thought that was a really good bargain, and I'm glad I took advantage of that. This one is something I've been eyeing. It's been in my wish list for quite a while, and I think they're really cute. All 6 of these pictures, I believe, I'm going to put the price right here, but these 6 canvases were only $14 for all 6 of them. And I have some of these in diamond painting, but I got it from AliExpress, and those pictures were all cut off on the edges. And I didn't notice it till after I had bought them, and it was too late to get it returned to cancel the order. And so I took them, I did them, and I liked them, and they're cute, but I never was quite happy about that. So I'll just show you real quick. There's this one. This is an owl. This one is a leopard. I'll bring it up close so you can see the thumbnail. And here's the thumbnail here. And this is a bunny rabbit. Isn't that adorable? Here's the thumbnail. And this one is a zebra. And this one is a elephant. They're so cute. And look at those patterns. They're so clear. And this is a penguin. So there's the elephant, penguin. I don't know how to deal with all this. They all have the same, looks like they have a different number up here, W19, W18. The bunny is calling me. I'm going to pull it out. This one has 21 colors. And pull it out. So that's it. They do have the instructions, very similar to the other instructions that are in other kits. It tells you how to start, how to do some of the stitches, and then how to finish it. So, okay, here's the pattern. The pattern is just on regular paper. It's quite legible, and I'm going to look. It does not match. It does not match what's printed on the canvas. But there is another legend on the canvas that you can follow. It's kind of like a Joy Sunday would be. And this one's 25 by 35. I don't know if they're all, look at those colors. Oh, pastel heaven. Look at that. I'm imagining this white is the background. The bunny's probably got a lot of white in it too. There's some pinks. That's probably a 310. That's a 939. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 939. There is a needle right here in the canvas. And I think these will be fun. Kind of relatively quick compared to some of our other really big canvases that we get. I am excited about this one. I am excited. So this one has 22 colors. I won't go through the next kits in quite as much detail. I'm going to pull them out and let you see the colors and basically just tell you how many colors there are. So I imagine the colors are going to be quite similar since they're same type of. Now we have the issue that I have when I open diamond painting drills is finding that elusive edge. So this one is the penguin. This one has 17 colors, construction kit, and here are the colors. Predominantly white again, with a lot of grays and a little bit of pink. And here is the canvas with the needle in it. So this one is 25 by 35 centimeters. I don't even remember what the other one was. So that's our penguin. These threads do feel soft. And I'm going to put this over here so I won't get them all mixed up. I'll place them all in different places. This one is the elephant. This is another one that I also had before and have done. This elephant has 21 colors as well. Instructions. This one is a little more colorful. It has a few little bit bolder colors in it. It has oranges, a little bit of red there, and yellow. So again, that's the picture, and here's the canvas. This canvas is 25 by 35 as well, and I remember now from the last one. So these are printed really nicely. So far, I haven't seen any problems with these canvases. I am excited about these. I really am. I don't know when I'll do them. I've got so many. They're all stacking up. And we've gotten 3 of them out. And this is a zebra. Going to go quicker than it is. Isn't that pretty? Just adorable. This has some darker grays, browns, has a red in it. And this one is a 25 by 35 as well. And it's stamped quite clearly. Look at that. I'm running out of places to set stuff. This one is the leopard. I believe that's what that is. A lot of grays and pinks. A little bit of reds. And rusty orange color. A little bit of blue. So I think it's safe to say they're all 25 by 35. And the last one is the owl. Instructions, and these are similar colors, but this one has more darker colors, and they are long. I wonder if it would, no, probably not, never mind, bad idea. I was wondering if I could floss them all together for this, like as one kit, but I don't think I would want to challenge that. Don't want that challenge. And you can see where the yellow is where it's all going to be white. This one is 25 by 35 as well. This penguin is so cute. And I guess a lot of the colors have to do with what kind of flower they have up there in their hair. And so that's it. I'm going to put you on pause and I'll pull it together again. I'll be back in a second. So, this is my wonderful find that I got on Amazon. I found a lot of other stuff too, but this is what applies to my crafting world. So I thought I would share it with you. This are my cable ties. I got this 6-pack of beautiful, cute baby animals. We got the zebra, the penguin, an elephant, the bunny rabbit, the leopard, and the owl. Are all so adorable. I want to thank you for joining me for the diamond painting effect with Corey. I'll put the links down below for this stuff so that you can go and take a look if you'd like to buy them. Take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.